When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal of a home, every detail matters. In Ferndale, a city known for its eclectic architecture and vibrant community, homeowners are constantly looking for ways to make their properties stand out. One of the most effective and stylish ways to achieve this is by installing slider windows. These sleek, modern windows can significantly elevate the overall look of a home while offering a host of other practical benefits. In this article, we'll explore how slider windows can enhance the curb appeal of Ferndale properties and why they should be on your radar if you're considering an upgrade to your home. Modern, clean lines for a contemporary look. One of the key reasons why slider windows are becoming increasingly popular in Ferndale is their clean, minimalist design. Unlike traditional windows that use sashes that move vertically, slider windows feature a horizontal sliding mechanism, which creates a smooth, unbroken line across the window. This design offers a contemporary aesthetic that pairs beautifully with both modern and traditional home styles. Whether you own a charming bungalow or a mid-century modern house, slider windows can complement any architectural style, enhancing the exterior of your property. Their sleek appearance is a welcome contrast to the bulky, older window designs often found in Ferndale's historic homes. By replacing outdated windows with slider options, your home can gain an updated, stylish look that attracts potential buyers or simply makes you proud of your home's exterior. Increased natural light and better views. Another way slider windows improve curb appeal is by allowing more natural light into the home. Many Ferndale homes are surrounded by lush greenery or beautiful urban landscapes. By installing slider windows, you maximize your ability to enjoy these views without obstruction. The larger panes of glass provide unobstructed vistas, letting the outside scenery become part of your interior design. Natural light not only brightens the home but also contributes to an airy, welcoming ambiance. Homes that are bathed in sunlight are often perceived as more inviting and spacious, which can leave a lasting impression on anyone who passes by. This connection between natural light and curb appeal is undeniable. When the interior of your home is as bright and airy as its exterior is attractive, you create a cohesive, appealing visual from all angles. Energy efficiency and sustainability. In today's eco-conscious world, energy efficiency plays a big role in enhancing a home's curb appeal. Ferndale residents are becoming more aware of the environmental impact of their homes, and slider windows offer an easy way to reduce energy consumption. These windows are designed to be tightly sealed when closed, preventing drafts and ensuring that indoor temperatures remain stable. By upgrading to energy-efficient slider windows, homeowners not only save on heating and cooling costs but also contribute to a more sustainable living environment. Homes with energy-efficient windows are appealing to environmentally conscious buyers and can increase the value of a property, making them a great investment in the long run. Low maintenance for long-term beauty. Ferndale properties are known for their diverse designs, and many homeowners prefer windows that are easy to maintain. Slider windows are ideal for this because they require minimal upkeep compared to other window styles. The sliding mechanism is simple and reliable, and many slider windows feature durable, low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass. These materials resist damage from the elements and are easy to clean, ensuring that your windows retain their beauty for years to come. When you invest in low-maintenance slider windows, you're not only enhancing the curb appeal of your home but also reducing the time and effort required to keep your property looking its best. This makes slider windows a smart choice for busy homeowners who want an attractive home exterior without the hassle of constant repairs or cleaning. Increase property value and appeal to buyers. Finally, slider windows are a great way to increase the overall value of your property. In a competitive real estate market like Ferndale, making your home stand out is crucial. Homes with modern, stylish windows are often more attractive to potential buyers, as they reflect a well-maintained, updated home. If you're considering selling your Ferndale home in the future, upgrading your windows to sleek, modern slider options could make a significant difference in the sale price and how quickly the home sells. Buyers are drawn to homes that offer both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits, and slider windows check both boxes. Conclusion: slider windows offer Ferndale homeowners the perfect combination of style, functionality, and energy efficiency. By incorporating these sleek, modern windows into your home, you can enhance your property's curb appeal, increase its market value, and enjoy a more comfortable living environment. Whether you're looking to update an older home or add a contemporary touch to a newer build, slider windows are a smart investment that can make a lasting impact on your home's exterior.